Hi guys, I'm Deeksha and you're watching 91 Mobiles News Bites, where we talk about everything cool that happens in the world of technology every day. Let's begin. Do you remember Ringing Bells? Yes, the company that came up with a smartphone which cost just rupees 251 and then vanished. While most of us thought it was a scam, the company is back and it's all ready to ship the smartphone. So if you're one of those who registered for a Freedom 251, you can soon expect your phone because the company will start shipping from June 30. After the first phase of successful deliveries of up to 2 lakh phones, the company will open the registrations again for more people to be able to buy the phone. Apart from this, the company has also announced of its plan to launch a 32-inch HD LED TV for less than rupees 10,000. Core specs of the Galaxy Note 7 were leaked today. Yes, the phablet is expected to be called Galaxy Note 7 instead of Note 6 for it to be streamlined against the company's Galaxy S series of smartphones. According to the leaks, the Galaxy Note 7 will have a 5.7-inch QHD Super AMOLED display, 64GB of built-in memory which will be expandable, in a 12-megapixel primary camera. There's another report that suggests that the Galaxy Note 7 will be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 823 processor along with 6GB of RAM. And while we're on the topic of leaks, reports have come up that Google is manufacturing its own non-Nexus smartphone to compete against the iPhone. You know how Nexus smartphones are manufactured in partnership with vendors, and the ones that we know of up until now are LG, Samsung, HTC, Huawei and Motorola. And in this way, Google has a say only in the software aspect of the phone, but if Google is manufacturing its own phone, it will have control over the design and hardware of the phone as well. Time to talk about a smartphone launch now. Gionee launched its F103 Pro smartphone today, and it's a part of Gionee's fashion series of smartphones. When it comes to specs, the phone sports a 5-inch HD display, a MediaTek quad-core processor, 3GB of RAM, a 13-megapixel primary camera and a 5-megapixel selfie camera. It's an Android Marshmallow phone which has been priced at Rs 11,990 and you can buy it either offline or online. Among other things, OnePlus has teased a red-colored variant of the OnePlus 3. However, there's no word on the availability of it yet. Let me know in the comment box below if you're excited about a red OnePlus 3. That's pretty much it for today. If you would like to know more about everything we talked about, links to each blog post are in the description box below. Still, you have any queries left in case, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram at 91mobiles. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.